Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to reset your oil maintenance light or maintenance required light on a 2012 Toyota Prius or a third generation Prius. So that maintenance required light, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to turn that off. You want to make sure you're on trip A, which I am right now, but I'll cycle through anyways. You hit this trip button until you get to trip A. Right there. So you want to make sure you're on trip A. Then you're going to want to turn the vehicle off. And then without pushing the brake pedal, you're going to want to hold the kilometer and miles per hour button. And then push this button, the power button, 2 times without putting your foot on the brake. And then you'll see there where it says resetting maintenance data. And there you go. Now it's reset. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks.